What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another video. Just wanted to hop on and say that I'm very sorry for my absence over the last couple of weeks. The truth is, I've been on the water quite a bit, but my plans just haven't been coming together. We've also had some very inconsistent weather here in Charleston, which seemed to disrupt the typical fishing patterns that we see with seasonal change. On the bright side, this has made for some random 80-degree days in December, which resulted in some great wildlife encounters. Here are some of the highlights from the past few weeks.
I've got 3 feet of 20-pound fluorocarbon leader on this popping cork, and I have a little split shot right in the middle just to kind of prevent the minnow from coming to the surface. And this wind might make it hard to fish on this side just because it wants to blow it away from the structure, but we'll see. That's a fish. Oh man, my rod's like knocked up a little bit. Ooh, that reel is not sounding good. Got a trout. Awesome. That was the first cast of the day. Just what we want to see, and my reel definitely needs some maintenance. Here we go, guys. That is a tiny little fella, but hey, that's a trout on a mud minnow. There's a bite somewhere. A whiting. He hit it so hard, I thought he was gonna be a nice red. Well, that right there is not a redfish, but it's a very close relative to the redfish. It's a whiting, kingfish, sea mullet, there's a lot of names for them. But they're pretty cool, they're tasty, but this little guy would not provide much meat at all, so I'm just gonna let him go and let him grow up. I got a good bet it's gonna be a stingray. Yep, that's exactly what it is. Alright. Yeah, they're pretty tough.
Especially with like the string lure.
Mm-hmm. Might slide in a little closer. Like, cause there's a chance, like there's an oyster bar.
You want me to pull closer to the anchor?
There we go.
Sweet.
A trout?
Trout.
Yep.
Nice trout.
You might keep, you have a ruler?
Yeah, it's right there. Here, let's get this one.
Just chomped on your finger. Hey, good looks.
One of the weirdest days happened about a week ago. When Parker and I were doing some sheepshead fishing, we were walking on these rocks and I noticed something cruising through the water, and I thought at first it was a large ladyfish, but to our surprise, this was a juvenile tarpon. We also had an up-close encounter with a green sea turtle, which was really interesting because, again, that's kind of an unheard of thing to see this time of year. Not to mention, the sheepshead were chewing as well, so this day was pretty awesome to say the least.
There we go. On the board. Pretty sweet. Both on the board. There you go. Nice. Oh yeah, dude. There you go. I'm coming to help. Oh man. Oh dude. You weren't lying. Yeah. You weren't lying. Did they break off or come off? Oh, okay. At least he doesn't have a hook in him. There we go. Look at that thing. Look at the purple on his gills.
Yeah. That's a nice fish.
Cool.
That's all I have for you guys this time. Hopefully as winter rolls in, the opportunities for redfish will pick up and I can get some epic inshore content for you all. Appreciate you more than you know for tuning in. Tight lines, and as always, stay hooked.